Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the draft reels on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and then tap on your gear icon in the top right corner to head over to the settings. And once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log. Once you've found it, tap on activity log and then scroll down a bit and tap on your Facebook activity, and it will pop up with a bunch of different options, and you'll have to choose reels from here and tap on manage reels, and then you'll have to tap on filters in the top left corner and then tap on categories, and you'll have to choose reels draft. Tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find all the draft reels on Facebook. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.